Ever wondered how a city could remain hidden from the world for centuries? Welcome to the enigmatic world of Machu Picchu. This ancient city lay shrouded in the misty peaks of the Andes, undisturbed and forgotten, until its unveiling in 1911. It continues to baffle us with its architectural marvels and unanswered questions. Who were the Incas that built it? How did they accomplish such a feat? And why was it abandoned? Now imagine being able to explore this hidden gem for the first time. Thinking about visiting Machu Picchu? It could seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Start by securing your train tickets in advance. Remember, the journey is as breathtaking as the destination itself. Navigate your way to the ruins, but don't rush. Take time to immerse yourself in the culture. Understand the historical significance. Respect the heritage. It's not just a site. It's a testament to human ingenuity. The Incan architecture is awe-inspiring, each stone whispering tales of ancient engineering prowess. Imagine terraces sculpted for agriculture, intricate water systems, and structures aligned with celestial events. Enveloped by lush mountains and the serpentine Urubamba River, the site's natural beauty is equally captivating. It's as though you've stepped into a living postcard. The beauty of Machu Picchu is a testament to human ingenuity, and a reminder of the rich culture that once thrived here. The climax of your journey awaits as you ascend to the sun gate at sunrise. Your breath catches as the first rays of light spill over the horizon, illuminating the sprawling majesty of Machu Picchu below. Every step, every heartbeat led to this moment. The golden city awakens, its ancient stones whispering tales of history and human ingenuity.